Expanding your vocabulary. Master the most frequent academic words. Hello, language learners. Today we're delving into an exciting part of the English language, academic vocabulary. This vocabulary is crucial for anyone aiming to thrive in academic or professional environments, so buckle up and get ready to enrich your language skills. So, what's the big deal about academic vocabulary? Well, it forms the backbone of any scholarly or professional conversation. It enables you to express complex ideas succinctly and professionally, which is essential in academic writings and formal discussions. Mastering this vocabulary not only enhances your understanding of academic texts but also equips you with the tools to express your ideas effectively. The Academic Word List, AWL, is a valuable resource compiled by AWL Coxhead, consisting of the most frequently used words in academic writing. It's broken down into sublists, with Sublist 1 containing the most frequently used academic words. Let's focus on this sublist and learn these indispensable words. Here are some of the words from AWL Sublist 1. We'll go through them with their definitions and usage in a sentence. 1. Analysis. Noun. Detailed examination of the elements or structure of something. 2. Example. The scientist conducted an analysis of the data collected in the experiment. 3. Approach. Noun, verb. A way of dealing with something. To deal with something. 4. Example. Noun. His approach to teaching is very interactive. 5. Example. Verb. We need to approach the problem from a different angle. 6. Area. Noun. A particular part of a place, subject, or activity. 7. Example. This research will focus on the area of molecular biology. 8. Assessment. Noun. The process of making a judgment or forming an opinion. 9. Example. The teacher's assessment of the student's work was very thorough. Remember, learning new words isn't about memorizing them but understanding and using them in context. Now that we've learned some of the most frequently used academic words, let's put them to use. Try to write some sentences using these words. You can also attempt to use these words in your daily conversations to reinforce your learning. And that's a wrap. By mastering the words in the AWL Sublist 1, you're already taking big strides toward improving your academic vocabulary. Remember, it's not about how many words you know. It's about how well you use them. Keep practicing, and soon these words will become a natural part of your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.